welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm so glad you are here. In today's video, we are going to be cleaning up my daughter's play area and we are going to redecorate it for summer. I'm so excited to get this project started, so I'm going to flip the camera around and show you everything we are doing today. So as you can see, we have been playing out here a lot lately and it is a mess. So I do have some picking up to do. I want to freshen up and clean out the pool. I also want to make sure I rinse out and refill the water table. We're going to switch out the flowers in the flower box, and I do have a storage idea for all of her little play foods so that she can use it for the rest of the season. Additionally, I did grab these cute little white chairs from Target and I want to find a place to set those up. My little teal chair is just for me to sit in here while she's playing. And ultimately, I just want to make this a little bit more appealing and more fun for her to play, so we have to get started. So to begin, we are starting off by collecting all of the play food and other toys that are in this play area here. I want to give these all a really good clean, so I'm going to take them inside and soak them in some warm soapy water while I am doing the rest of the cleaning around here, just to make sure everything is nice and sanitized. We do have a lot of lizards, we have dogs, and there are other creatures that I'm sure live in this area, so I know that these need to be cleaned pretty frequently. If you are new around here, I just wanted to say welcome. I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. My name is Veronica and I'm a wife and mama from Las Vegas, and I love making videos on all things decor, DIY, and other mama motivation. So if you like that kind of stuff, definitely hit that big red subscribe button down below so you can be a part of my internet community.
I swear that I'll stay here with you. Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for stay here with you. Town. Never seen the sky so blue. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side.
The water is completely dried out of the water table, and you can see like there's a bunch of white, I guess residue. I'm assuming it's hard water, but you also can see my little buddy here. We have a dead cockroach, ew. So I've got to give this a really good spray down, and I'm possibly going to use some soap as well. Over here, we have another little bug friend. So I'm going to go ahead and dump this out, and I'm going to go ahead and, again, just give it a really good spray down, and also possibly some soap to get that bug through. And then we're going to refill it and get it ready for play.
Give me love, give me all your love.
So for these water toys, I am starting off by just rinsing them off really well with a hose. I wanted to make sure that I got all of the gross stuff out of the bottom, or get rid of the bugs, and I went ahead and grabbed some dish soap from inside, and I'm just going to use that and a scrubber to get off all of the yucky stuff. I want to make sure that these toys are not only clean, but they are safe for my baby to use. So seeing bugs really freaks me out, and I had to get those cleaned up and really scrubbed just for my own sanity. Now, what I have done since cleaning these is every time we use them, I empty them so that they don't get that gross again. I want to make sure that they stay clean for as long as possible. So when she's done playing, I get her inside and have her hang out with Daddy. I come back out here, I dump everything out, rinse everything out, and then have it ready for the next time we are going to play together. So that process has been working really well for us. Now, we use these probably 2 to 3 times a week, so I do have to refill them a lot, but it's totally worth it to keep everything nice and clean and safe for my daughter.
Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
So the next thing I'm going to do is set up this cute little seating area for her. I grabbed these chairs and table at the Target dollar spot. Each chair was $5. I think the table was $3, but I thought that they were absolutely perfect for this space and totally her size. She loves sitting in them too, so I love that I grabbed these for her. One thing I love to switch out for her playhouse is this flower box. I put new flowers in for each season, and for this summer we are going to do some pink and white daisies. I just love these, and I grabbed these at the dollar spot, or not the dollar spot, I got these at Dollar Tree, and honestly I love their flower selection. As long as you get there earlier in the season or before the season begins, they have such a good selection of really high quality pieces, so I highly recommend checking out Dollar Tree for different florals and picks that you can use in your own decor, both inside and outside your home. I do like to throw my little flowers here away at the end of each season just to keep things fresh and clean, because we don't know what kind of bugs or other creatures have been crawling in them. So I am going to go ahead and just toss the tulips that were in here, and I'm going to add in these white daisies just for a different pop of color as well. So now that the flowers are in, I wanted to add in one more thing that would make this even more playful for summer, and that is these adorable little pinwheels. I grabbed these at Hobby Lobby. They are part of the spring line, so they are on sale. I saw them the other day. They still have some. I grabbed some white ones, some pink ones to match the daisies, but I also got some cute little rainbow ones for her to play with as well. And let me tell you guys, these are a hit. She loves them. So I highly recommend finding something to make it even more playful for your little one.
Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah.
For anyone who has not already done so, I highly recommend you follow me over on my Instagram page. My handle is @SoVeryVeronica. And on that page, I share a ton of DIYs, decor, and other things that I don't actually share here on my YouTube. I like to keep my content kind of fluid between the two so that I give you the most bang for your buck. So definitely make sure you're following me over there as well. So I have a couple more pieces that I grabbed at the Dollar Tree that I want to go ahead and add in for summer. So I'm hanging up this small little hook so I can hang an adorable little wind chime thing. It spins in the wind. It's so pretty and she loves it. The last thing I am going to do is I'm going to add in this cute Dollar Tree rug that I grabbed. It was just so cute, I couldn't say no, and it was perfect for the inside of her little kitchen. Now that everything else has been cleaned and put away, it is time to hose the whole space down. Now I do this for two reasons. One, of course, to make sure everything stays nice and clean. Two, it's mainly to make sure that there are no spiders or bugs or anything else that could possibly harm her in any of like those small crevices. And for me, power washing or using a hose is the easiest way to do that. So I noticed that the pool needed a little bit of air, so I went ahead and added that, and it's now time to fill up our little pool here. Now this toddler pool is probably the best $7 I have ever spent. She loves it and it is the perfect size. Now that our toys are clean, we're going to bring those back out and it will be time for Rayanne to play.
All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love.
Alrighty guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope it gave you some type of motivation or inspiration to either decorate or clean up a space in your home. I know I am so happy I got this done. I am excited for a little one to wake up from her nap so we can get back to playing. Before I show you the after clips, here is a reminder of what this space looked like before. It was a mess. Rayanne loves to play out here, but I was not keeping up with it. So I am so glad I got this done. here is a look at what it looks like now. I am so happy with how much better it looks. Rayanne loves it. She has been playing out here a lot lately. We love the pool, we love the playhouse, and it has just been so much fun. Thank you so much for being here with me today. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you, and I will see you all again in a few days in another video. Bye guys.
All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you.
Peekaboo.
I swear that I'll stay here with you.